As a caregiver and educator in the early childhood field, it is important to know, understand, and implement NAEYC's health standards. These standards are written to maintain the nutrition and health of children and staff. By knowing these standards, and more specifically proper hand washing, sanitation of environments, food preparation, and proper infant feeding, I'm ensuring the environment my children are in is safe for them. Some infants are breastfed. Their milk needs to be provided in containers labeled for them, immediately refrigerated, and while preparing the milk, be sure to run it under water and not to microwave it. And when serving it, gently swirl it, not to vigorously shake it. Shaking it vigorously can cause the nutrients to dissipate in the milk, and the child will not receive it. Once an hour has passed and the child's finished, the remainder needs to be disposed of. To not feed it back to the child, it can spoil and cause the child to have a stomach ache or become ill. Following these standards ensures the child is receiving their milk at the correct temperature and not spoiled, and they aren't eating bad food. One of my main things in school with my children is hand washing. It's important for us to wash our hands when we get to school, after using the restroom, before and after eating, and after coughing or sneezing. It helps keep us healthy and keeps bacteria from spreading. One thing I can do to make sure my children truly understand why it's important, not just because they're being told to wash their hands, but if they were to understand the benefits of hand washing, then they would want to do it for themselves and help keep themselves and their friends safe. Another thing I could do to be sure is to stay up on allergies and reading labels, keeping sure that I know all of the children's allergies in my class and other classes, and reading all the labels of the food given, so I'm ensuring that none of the children are receiving food that they shouldn't and that can make them sick.